Hi and welcome again. With Umbraco tutorials, we are doing part 2. So, small recap about what you have done in the previous videos. We give a small introduction about Umbraco and we install Umbraco. So now we are good with our installation parts. So as we said in the last video, our agenda will be install or build Umbraco website, but we'll choose a template from any website, any free website you like. Just we choose the template. I will show you my template. So I have chosen this one, a bit complicated, but we'll try to implement as much as we can. So our purpose of this video is just to learn more about Umbraco, not to build this website 100%. So I'll pick a few things to make them more dynamic. We'll see step by step. We'll see about the next parts, what we'll do there. So firstly, what we need to do now here, we need to give small think about the website. How many pages we have? Is this pages are similar or they are different? If they are similar, we can create only one template for them. We don't need to create all of them. But from first look, you can see with me, we have the home page here. Home page, anyway, we need template for the home page, but about what we have in the about here, same. We can make this dynamic text. This we can make it, maybe we can make it micro or something like that. We'll see what we can get there. We have video here. And this one, nice. We can do something for this too. So let's jump to the Umbraco back office and we see what we can do there. So firstly, just let me delete this one. I don't want to make it too much complicated. I will try to make it simple as much as we can. Okay. Let me create first one. I will call it home. So this will be the home page. Okay, and what we can add the first tab for that, let's call it settings. So inside this home page, what we can add, so this we have many approach in Umbraco. You can use it simple one or you can use complicated one. I will try to use simple as much as I can here. Maybe in future we can move many properties. We can add them in one place, and after that you can inherit more than one page. So let me just try to be more simple. So let's call it home title. So let's call it here string. It will be mandatory, and let's save it. So what I need more there, if you said I don't want to add many things now, just we'll see what will happen in future, or depend on our template. We'll add the rest. So if we pull our template again here, so we have about, we can add about maybe. Let's say again, new one. We call it about. Okay, we'll have let's say in the about page we'll have something. Yeah, let's say settings. In the settings, what we'll have about title. I will add again string, and I want to add one more group. I will call that group content. And this content, as you see in about page here, what we have there. So we have this text. yeah, we can make this one dynamic, and even we can give them ability to change this image, and after that we can do this stuff here. So let me continue on this small stuff here. Let's say content, or about content. I'll add here rich text editor. Okay, and what we have more in the about page, leave it as is now. So I want to add one more page. Okay, let's see, have here yeah, this one. I think this one could be good, the stuff we can put inside it. Yeah, nice here too. I'll save it. I think we can add same setting inside this one. We can add title. It will be string. Let's save it. So I think we finished the easiest part now. If you go down more, you see the template here. If you go to the template, if you choose the, if you see how, so let's see here, home. So here they said to you, homepage, it's without layout. So I need to have layout, or let's say all of them, they should be under the layout. So how to choose layout for the homepage? I have already my old template, the layout one. I press on this one here. I said you should be under the layout. Save it. And also the about page should be under the layout. This layout here. And this one too. The special one should be under the layout. That's great. So one more thing here. If you're back at the top here, we need to set up this one too. We said this page will be the root, and under this home I will have about, I will have to this page too here. Currently you have only this two. And now let's go to the, let's say, the hard part, how to copy our template to Umbraco. Let's open this one in Visual Code. Okay, till this one opening Visual Code, I will choose this one here. Why not opening Visual Code? I remove it. So until finish my Visual Studio downloading, I want to just show you something here. So as you see, we have add already the pages here. So where all this page goes here? If you go to Visual Studio, under views, if you show all the files, you'll have your pages here. Just you need to include them inside Visual Studio. Include this one and this too. Okay, now I have these pages here. Okay, and if you back to the top here, even you see the models should be here. If you want to, they are not here. So what you need to do, you need just to do the building the models, where we are here. Go to model builder and just rebuild your models. You should see your models here same. So I have home, and I have about, and I have this one here. Just I need to include them. So this one we have deleted before, we don't need it, we don't have any models there. That's great. So as we said, the second step now, what we'll do, we'll copy the layout or the template from our HTML page, pages here. Let me just grab this one here. No, it will take time. So if I take the index one, I want to copy it here. Just want to see how is it. So this one a bit complicated, so let me do it without recording it, because it will take time. I will just copy the theme, or just separate the theme, the layout from the body of the pages. So what I have done, it's just very simple for me. It's because I have done it many times. So I have just split the layout from the home page. What I have done, I just open the index here, I cut the header part and the footer part, and I have put them here in the layout. So in this layout here, what I will have now here, I should here under the body of the home HTML. So everything will be rendered under this one. Okay, so this one, let's say first one. So here everything's here will goes to home page. So if I don't need this one now. So let me go back to this one here. If I back, I don't have any content. So after I finish the settings here, I prepare them there already. I go back to content. From content, I say I need home page. This home page will be called home. After that will be here home page, let's suppose. Save. So if I go to info, just I said show me this page, it should show me nothing. Why? Because still we need copy the extra files there. But we'll see what the error we have here. Oh, so this one from Umbraco, we need just to close all tabs. After generating the models, I need just to rebuild some time and run it again. Just rebuilding. After finished rebuilding, just start the project again. So after we rebuild the project and we run it again, we will see this error. It's saying to you about the rendering page, the rendering body, sorry. So how to add the render body? As I show you, I mentioned that in the code here. I said to you we need to add the render body here. So how to add this one in Umbraco? We go to settings, to the template layout. Where is it? The place we need to add that here. I just here I can say easy stuff. I can say insert section. From section here I said I just need the render body. Submit. I find it here. If we save now and we back again, we said run it or just refresh the page, you will see something working. So it's taking time, I don't know why, but normally it's faster than this. I think my CPU is 100%. So as we see here, we don't have no style, nothing. How to bring the style to Visual Studio? Simple, just we back to the style here, or the template we have it. So we need to copy this file, say Control C, back to your Visual Studio. I don't want to put it off. We can maybe just back to the solution. So if I pass the files only here on the root of this project, oh, I can't pass. I need to put them off. So I said paste my files. So this all the CSS and JavaScript files, and with the images, everything will be here. I passed them here. Why? Because I don't want to change anything in the or any stuff in this one. So if I change the row, if I put them in different place or different folders, so I need to change all this stuff here. So I left them same place here in the root one. It will be easier for us. So if I run it again, we'll see probably something different. So this will be the result after we run the project and after we include all the files. So what's the next step? What I'm thinking is to implement this page, what we have done already. I will prepare the template inside them. After that, we can decide which part of this one should be dynamic, or we can change it by the customer. We have already now, if you go to the settings, in the settings document, we have already about page. Let's copy the about page. If you go to about, I'll show you how to do it very fast. This about page, let me open it in Visual Studio, same here. Where are you? If I open this one, give me the about page. Why now? Okay, so we have the about page. So what I need to copy from about page, I need to copy this section after the navbar till I think the footer. If I go down more till this will be different from template to template. So if I cut this one, I go to my about HTML page, this one here. So if I pass this one here, I close it, and we have one more, not the reservation. Oh, what the, where is it, that one? Let me check what they call it here. Menu. Okay, let's go to the menu and put it in this one. So same, I will copy it after the navbar, I think the footer. Where the footer here? Come on. Oh, too big page, this one. Yeah, here we are. We cut this one. Go that page. It's here. Under the layout. That's fantastic. So we can close everything now. We're back to our back office here. If we back to the content, under home page. So under home page, what I have already prepared here, I said under the home page I need to have these two pages. So if I back here now again, I press here. So they said there is nothing. Oh, why it's like this? So if I press on home page, I should see the rest here to add the about page. There is nothing. Let's, oh, here we are. Just a bit slow. So if I press about, let's call it about page test content. Save it. After you save this one, maybe you can add the second one too. So here, as you see here, we have before they used to have tabs here. Now they change it to have different things. They make it, I don't know if it's look better or no. So now we can add the menu too. Menu page. So if I save them, how I can see them this in my browser. Just after save this one, I need to go to info and place on the menu. Should be under here, and I come back to same that one. I can see the above. I can see any one of them. Here the menus came without style. If we refresh, or let me check, inspect this page, see what is the issue here. I think they cannot see anything or any Oh yeah, if we back, yeah, you see it's error in the link, so it should be without menu here. So just need to fix the fix should be in the layout page. So now we passed 20 minutes. Let me just close this one and we start with the second video to fix this issue, and we continue on our Umbraco tutorials. See you in the second video.